Okay, let's look at some very useful adjectives today. These words help your English sound more natural and more advanced. First, an important idea. In English, instead of saying can plus verb, we often use one adjective. Let's go step by step. If you can eat it, we say it's edible. For example, this fruit is edible. If you can drink it, we say it's potable. For example, this water is potable. If you can carry it easily, we say it's portable. For example, a laptop is portable. If you can actually feel it, we say it's palpable. This word is often used for feelings. For example, there was palpable tension in the room. If someone can be chosen, we say they're eligible. For example, she is eligible for the job. Now notice something important. All these adjectives end in able. So remember this pattern. Can plus verb, adjective. Before we finish, a quick practice. Can you think of something that is portable or something that is edible? Great job! Keep practicing and your English will sound more natural every day.